AI 2024 prediction. It's for real, it isn't fiction. In the year 2024, oh what a sight! AI's in the day, AI's in the night. From your phone to your fridge, even in your car, AI's influence has spread both near and far. It schedules our meetings, it answers our calls. It's even programmed to laugh at our falls. It tells us the weather, it plays us a song. With AI in our lives, what could possibly go wrong? It helps us with cooking, it helps us with cleaning. It's so extremely helpful, it's almost demeaning. We ask it for jokes, we ask it for facts. Oh, the joy of interacting with AI acts. But don't be fooled by its helpful demeanor. It's not a human, it's much cleaner. It doesn't need sleep, it doesn't need food. It's always in a helpful mood. So here's to AI, our digital friend, on whom it seems we've come to depend. In 2024, it's clear to see AI's influence is as deep as the sea. Stay safe, stay secure. In 2024, you'll be using AI for sure. Thanks for watching and listening. Signing up to my channel will keep me whistling.